How's it going, everyone? Brody here with Heco Stoves, and today we're going to go into exchanging your panels and replacing them if you're looking to clean your stove. This is something that's outlined in our owner's manual, but just to kind of give you a visual, we wanted to put a video together. So to take your panels out, you're going to want to wait until your stove is actually cooled off. You're going to go through here, and you're going to push your panels up, and you're going to be able to remove each one. So when replacing your panels, there are going to be two panels that are exactly the same as each other. There are going to be the panels on the far right and the center. The panel that's going to be different is the panel on the left. How you can tell? The panel on the far right and the center is going to have a lip here. And this is going to allow it to fit in here on the right. You see how the panel sits there on that top? So you're going to take your next panel, the exact same one, and you're going to put it in the exact same way. Both of your panels are going to sit flush. Finally, you have the panel that's going to be separate. You can't see the lip here because it's covered, unlike the other two. So you're going to put this in. Be careful, it could pinch your fingers. And now your panels have been replaced. So here's a what not to do when changing your panels. If you're changing your panels and you use the wrong piece, your panel is going to look or feel like it's warped or not sitting on there correctly. Now, you may be able to get it to sit down flush, but you're still going to have a crack that is incorrect there. And then, when you go to try and put your other piece in, it's not going to work. And even if you did it from the opposite side, it's still going to look warped. So you want to make sure that each panel is in the correct way that it should be. So, panel 1, you're going to have the lip facing to the left. Panel 2, same thing. It's going to fit over top with the lip facing to the left. And then your final panel to be installed is going to be put right here. Thank you for tuning in to this Heco panel training, and thank you for being the best part of DS.